Good morning, my kids. Welcome to my classroom. This is Miss Sarah with you. Today we will learn about letter U. Okay, say good morning to letter U. Good morning, letter U. This is a capital U and this is a small u. A capital U, small u. Now repeat after me. A capital U and a small u. Now let's make the letter U sound. The sound of letter U is U. U. And now let's know some vocab about letter U. U is for up. 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 And U is for under. 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 Up. Under. Let's continue. U is for umbrella. 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 And U is for umpire. 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 Let's revise. U is for up. Up. U is for under. Under. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. U is for umpire. Umpire. As usual, there is a tip for you. We use an umbrella when it rains. We use an umbrella when it rains. Okay, thank you. See you later.